Merong isang question from Cathedral School of Lanaval na nagperplex sa akin. Ano raw mangyayari kapag yung Earth ay binutasan mo from one end to another at naghulog ka ng object doon? Sir Bang, ano bang sagot ng physics and mathematics dyan?
So the Earth may butas.
Mm-mm.
Dagat-dagat siya yung butas sa kabila. Siguro, the easiest way to explain it is na mag-assume muna tayo ng uniform density, which is not true. Hindi mangyayari yun. Pero let's say, what will happen to uniform yung density or you have a sphere? Maghulog ka, mahihira niya. It's not really the gravity of the Earth, but the gravity of each particle of the Earth. So when it is moving down, there will be certain particles that will be already above it. We're looking at the total force ng gravity of each particle of the Earth on it. So nagbabago siya when it reaches the center of the center of gravity of the Earth. From all points on the Earth, they're going to be pulling on it equally. So sa unang isip ko, it's going to fall to the center of the Earth. Pero hindi pala ganun. Ang mangyayari pala, pagdating niya sa baba, meron na siyang inertia. So it's going to continue falling. Pero how far will it fall? It will actually fall all the way to the other side. Bakit? Kasi kapag nag-start ka from one end, you have the potential energy. Dito papasok yung conservation of mechanical energy. And as it falls through, all the potential energy has already been converted to kinetic energy. Hanggang all of that will be converted again to potential energy. So that means it's going to fall all the way to the other side. Pagdating sa kabilang side, it's gonna fall ulit pabalik, so it's just going to oscillate. And it will oscillate forever, assuming na walang loss of energy dahil sa friction or hindi siya babangga sa gilid.
Paano yun? Layered ang interior structure of the Earth. But suppose, totally solid din tong mga to, magkakaiba nga lang ng density, ganun pa rin po ba ang mangyayari?
Ang importante lang, daga-daga siya kang huhulog, like there's a pipe siguro. No, mag-change lang yung gravity. So when it's denser, there's going to be more mass that's gonna pull on it, right? Mas lalo siyang bibilis. And the thing is, paano kung may mga parts, may mga areas na mas dense, it can bend. Yung paghulog mo, hindi necessarily straight line. Pwede kasi ma-pull ka to the side kapag may area of stronger gravity.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin.
Whatever yung magiging motion mo, you will still pass through the barycenter. But eventually, you will still reach sa kabilang side.
Pero ganun pa rin. Magkaiba lang yung rate ng paghulog. Pero the total mechanical energy will still be conserved. So yun, narinig nyo guys ang paliwanag. Salamat sa pagtatanong. Para sa mga dagdag na video tulad nito, i-like at i-follow kami sa Spacetime Events and Exhibits.